Good morning everyone. Today, I will be discussing the importance of soil, and the effects of soil pollution. We will explore the different types and layers of soil and how it is used in agriculture. I will be presenting the slides during the meeting. I hope that after this presentation, you will have gained an appreciation for the importance of soil for our environment. Soil is essential for all life on Earth. It gives us food, shelter and clothing, and it serves an important role in helping plants grow by supporting their roots, providing water and supplying them with nutrients. Aside from just being home to plants, soil is also an environment for a range of animals and insects such as ants, earthworms, snails, centipedes, millipedes, snakes, rats and beetles. Without the complexity and variety of soil, the world would not be as rich and diverse as it is now. To safeguard the sustainability of soil for future generations, we need to be conscious of its value and protect it. Humans heavily depend on soil for a variety of essential resources, including food. Soil consists of several layers, including organic topsoil, subsoil, and parent material. Subsoil and parent material largely consist of sand, silt, and clay. For instance, koto, rice paddy, contains high amounts of moisture and is used to grow rice, which is an essential source of food in many parts of the world. Another type of soil, minamionuma paddy, is used for farming in Japan and is composed of sand, silt, and gravel. Understanding the makeup of different soil types is important, as it can have a significant influence on the crops planted. Soil is much more than just a place to grow plants. It is also home to numerous living organisms. Microorganisms such as algae, fungi, and bacteria can all live in the soil, along with larger animals like worms and insects. These organisms are incredibly important for the environment, breaking down organic matter and providing essential nutrients for plant growth and health. They also help prevent soil degradation and maintain soil fertility. Without these organisms, a healthy ecosystem could not exist. It is therefore essential that we take care of them in order to sustain soil health. Soil pollution is a growing concern, caused by plastics, chemicals, pesticides, and other waste products. These pollutants can pollute the soil and have a negative effect on the environment, plants, and wildlife. To reduce soil pollution, we can replace plastic when possible, treat industrial wastes and chemicals before releasing them into the soil, reduce the use of pesticides, and plant more trees, also known as afforestation. Taking steps to reduce soil pollution shields the environment and preserves natural resources for generations to come. Soil is a complex mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms which support life. With the use of a glass tumbler and a glass rod, one can observe how the particles of the soil layer out when mixed with water. At the top is humus, a layer of rotting dead plant and animal remains, followed by layers of clay, sand, and gravel. Knowing the composition of soil is important for fruitful agriculture and forestry. Soil is essential in sustaining a healthy environment. The uppermost layer is the horizon, often referred to as the topsoil, and is characterized by dark coloration and composition of humus and other organic matter, delivering vital nutrients to plants. The layer is soft and porous, retaining water. The B horizon is the second layer, with fewer organic substances and more minerals. It is harder and much more compact. The third layer of soil is called the C horizon, being composed of small lumps of rock. The final layer is the bedrock, made of incredibly hard rocks. All these layers constitute the soil, with its maintenance being paramount in preserving the planet's ecosystems. Soil comes in three main types: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Sandy soil has larger particles and does not keep water. Clayey soil has smaller particles and holds onto more water. Loamy soil is a balance of air and water retention and is optimal for plant growth. Each handful of each type of soil has different properties that make them easily distinguishable. Understanding the properties of each soil type is essential for successful crop production in agriculture. Sandy soil allows water to percolate at a faster rate than clayey soil. To measure this, insert a PVC pipe that is 20 cm long and 5 cm in diameter into the ground about 2 cm. Pour 200 ml of water in the pipe and take note of the time it takes for the water to percolate. Calculate the rate of percolation using the applicable formula. Knowing the rate of water percolation through different soil types is crucial for several reasons, such as crop growth and soil health. Moisture in soil is essential for healthy plant growth, and can be determined by putting a soil sample in a boiling tube and applying heat with a Bunsen burner. The temperature increase will cause the moisture in the soil to evaporate and condense on the walls of the tube. Clayey soils contain the highest amounts of moisture, while sandy soils contain the least. Knowing the amount of moisture held in the soil is key to successful agriculture. Understanding the capacity of soil to absorb water is of critical importance for the health of our environment. An experiment can be conducted to measure the amount of water absorbed by a certain type of soil and thereby calculate the percentage of water absorbed. Doing this provides us with a tangible way to appreciate the importance of soil and its capacity to absorb water. Soil is essential to the production of crops, and different types of soils are suitable for growing different types of crops. Clayey and loamy soils are especially suitable for growing wheat and pulses, while clayey soil with some organic matter is used to grow paddy, and sandy and loamy soils are used to grow cotton. Proper consideration must be given to ensure the right crop is grown in the right soil for the best yield. Thank you for your attention.